I am so sick. Um, Whatever my daughter had, she gave it to me. My stomach is just like all the time, and I can't even, like, I know I'm gonna have to drink some fluids because I've been losing everything. And, yeah, it's just been nonstop since I woke up. Uh, I took, like, some Pepto, and, like, it almost feels like it made my stomach more upset instead of helping, which I don't even know if I want to take more. This sucks. I haven't been this sick in like a long time. I tried to like hang out in the living room for a bit with my daughter, and it just ugh. All I want to do is sleep and wake up when I'm all better. She had some applesauce in one of those little squishy packs next to me, and just smelling it was horrible. And like I can't even stomach the thought of drinking anything. But I'm gonna have to. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, and it's only. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. I can actually eat. Earlier, when I was feeling like really hungry, it was noon, and I'm like, whatever. If I can eat, I'm gonna like. I'm not even gonna worry about my fasting today because I'm just. Oh. But the thought of food is just. Oh my god. And yeah, my stomach hurts so much, but I'm really hungry and I'm thirsty. But thinking about food just makes me want to. And so, yay! I'm not working out today. I'm definitely not working out today. So, my daughter looks better. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be feeling better, and maybe I'll be well enough to, I don't know, do something, go to the gym or something. I'm not gonna push myself, so I'm a little bummed out over that. I was looking forward to getting in some like good workouts this weekend because I haven't been able to work out much because of my work schedule. Um, so yeah, this is upsetting because like I want to work out, and I'm like, it's one of those like I know if I watch what I eat, then I can at least like do that, but I feel like I'm not doing enough if I'm not working out. So yeah. Hi. So it's almost 10 o'clock, and I'm in the living room now. I have the couch flipped out into like the futon, and I've been pretty much stuck to the couch all day. I had probably like, I don't know, 10 soda crackers, and I've finally just started my second can of ginger ale. When my husband came home from his lunch break, he brought me a case of ginger ale and some different like sports drinks because he wasn't sure what flavor I wanted. Um, and I drank the sports drink too fast. Like I had a quarter cup in an hour, too fast, and ended up throwing that up. And I felt better for a while afterwards, but I still don't feel like I can eat anything. And I'm still really, really cold, so I'm wearing a sweater now, and I've got a couple blankets, and I'm just cuddling on the couch. Um, Otherwise, that's been my day, and I'm really hoping tomorrow is a lot better. Hi, it's 11 p.m., and I'm slowly feeling a bit more human. When I think about it, last night at about 7 or 8ish, I'm not sure what time, my stomach was feeling weird when I was eating my supper, and I didn't really think anything of it. I thought I was just like full because I had eaten a later lunch that day because yesterday I didn't get a chance to have lunch at work, I don't think. No, I brought lunch to work, but it wasn't a very big lunch, so I was going to top up with a little something more when I got home. But I waited a while, and it was closer to like 4 or 5 when I ate that. So I thought I was still full from that. But yeah, I'm starting to feel a little more human. I broke fast rules because I haven't eaten all day. I'm starting to get really hungry because the last thing I ate was like a handful of popcorn at 8:55. And yeah, I'm just slowly feeling more confident in having stuff in my stomach. I'm on my second can of ginger ale, and I'm actually drinking that a little faster. And I'm still freezing. Like, I haven't had a fever this whole time, but I've been freezing. I checked my temperature at one point and it was like 97.4. So I was ever so like slightly low. But yeah, so I'm feeling somewhat better. I'm feeling human, which is nice. I don't feel like I've just been resting all day and lying on the couch and slowly just sipping ginger ale. And I had a full thing of crackers minus 5 that my daughter ate. This is what I've eaten today. And one of my friends mentioned that when she's sick, she likes to make ginger beer into a smoothie, like with ice, so it's like thick and it still hydrates, but you can't drink it too fast, so you don't have as much risk of like drinking too fast and then throwing up. And so that was making me like crave, in spite of being freezing all day, that's been making me crave something cold all day. So I actually had a few spoonfuls of my lactose-free ice cream just now, and it tasted so good. And yeah, so now I'm trying to figure out like what am I gonna do. I think I'm just gonna eat more crackers. I might tempt a bowl of cereal with almond milk, because that sounds good, and just try to get something in me that's a little more than crackers. I have Vector, which is a meal replacement cereal. But it feels like that would be like too heavy. And I have some Chex, which is a rice cereal. It's not like Rice Krispies or Rice Bubbles, depending on the part of the world you're in. But it's just like a little pillow-shaped rice cereal. So I might try something something light that, if it has to come out, unlike the Vector, it won't like scratch my throat on the way out. Sorry to be a little like TMI, but we've all been sick. So yeah, my husband should be home from work soon, and yeah, I'll figure something out, and hopefully I'm right as rain in the morning. Bye. Hello. It is Monday, and I'm going for a walk, and there is a blizzard, so I'm not going very far. I'm feeling better. Man, that was rough. I haven't been that sick in about 6 years, and yesterday I was exhausted, and I just napped all day, and today there's a blizzard warning all day, and I wasn't actually sure, like, it's supposed to snow for, I don't know, what did it say, up to like 30 centimeters, and then by tomorrow it's supposed to be up to like 60 centimeters or something. There's a lot of snow. I can't remember how many inches that is, because I don't know. Let's see, I think there's like, so that might be about 15 inches if I remember correctly. So yeah, I've got a selfie stick, so I'm a little self-conscious going for a walk with my selfie stick. I see a neighbor peering out his window. He's eating supper, so he sees me with my selfie stick just chatting. But yeah, I decided to go for a walk around the block. Oh crap, now I'm going into the wind. Yeah, I'm feeling better. I was thinking of going to the gym, but I don't want to push myself because I'm still a little tired. But yeah, I'm a little bummed that I didn't get to go at all. One thing I realized is you can't gain weight if you can't eat food. And I definitely could not eat any food this weekend. Even yesterday when I was feeling okay, I was still barely able to eat anything. And today I woke up starving, but I resumed intermittent fasting again, and hopefully it's not too windy. I can hear wind in my ears. I don't know what the mic is going to sound like. So yeah, I'm just going to take a quick walk around the block. Everybody's shoveling their driveways because there's so much snow, and it's pretty cold. So I'm going to put this away and finish my walk. Bye. Yeah, just a quick little loop. I am almost home. My glasses are very fogged up, and I have the wind at my back now, which is nice. I know coming around the bend, I had to walk backwards a bit, and I could actually feel my eyelashes, like my eyes were watering and everything, and I could feel my eyelashes freezing to my cheeks. I think it's about minus 16 or minus 18 Celsius, and I don't know what that is with the wind chill factor. But yeah, there's a blizzard warning on till tomorrow afternoon, and I'm kind of surprised that our roads actually look kind of plowed, because usually this section is like the last to get any type of road maintenance, if at all. But yeah, I should be able to get to work tomorrow. I did call in reinforcements just on the off chance, and there's a truck coming, so I gotta make sure I'm somewhere safe. I'm not in the way. There we go. So yes, I'm home again from my cold little walk, and I'm going to go inside. And there, I successfully tested out my new selfie stick. It's seems to frame up nicer. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, all set to go out into Snowmageddon and try to shovel the driveway, because we're still in a blizzard that's supposed to finish on Thursday but wind down on Wednesday. I like jerry-rigged my winter coat. You can see I just sewed the bottom so that it can't rip open, and yeah, so I'll have to step in and out of this coat if I want to wear it, but that's all I really need. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go outside, shovel, and I got the kiddo bundled up like something out of a Christmas Story, and time to go out into like 70-kilometer-an-hour winds. I'm pretty sure I'm done. There is a snow ridge that was left by the plow, but that's just way too hard. Like, it's compacted, so I can't shovel that. So for now, the driveway is clear, but the winds are supposed to keep blowing for till tomorrow afternoon. I didn't have to go to work today because schools are closed, and then my boss said there's probably not going to be a lot of customers today, so we're closed. So yeah. Other than, I'm going inside. Alright, so to go outside in the weather, I got my winter coat. I got this. and I got a t-shirt, and then a long sleeve shirt, and then on my legs, I'm wearing a pair of leggings, a pair of jeans that fit, and then a pair of jeans that don't fit anymore over top of that, because I don't have snow pants. And yeah, shoveling keeps you really warm. Little upset with myself. Last night, I had a lot of calories left over, and I actually, like, I was pretty close to eating, like, not enough yesterday. So for my, like, end of the, like, before 9 o'clock-ish snack, I decided I was gonna have ice cream, my lactose-free ice cream, with a bunch of frozen blueberries on top and a little bit of, like, chocolate syrup to make, like, chocolate milk. And I was like, great, lots of calories, I can, like, guilt-free eat this. I finished my ice cream, and then I put my daughter to bed and everything. I completely forgot to put it back in the the freezer. That was a brand new container. I'd only used it like a few times, so it had about 2/3 to 3/4 of the whole thing left. And I found it today. So that sucks, because that ice cream is not cheap. So yeah, lesson learned. Pay attention to what you're doing. And if you're, like, I was in a rush because it was pretty close to 9 o'clock when I finally realized I need to add some extra calories into my day, because even with the ice cream, I finished just under 1,200, which I don't like doing on too regular of a basis, especially with having been sick for the past few days. And, like, what is it, the one day I put everything in and it came up to, like, just about 400 and something calories, maybe 500 if I was being generous, but that's really being generous. So she stepped her toe, and now she's mad because I'm looking at her when she's in pain. So yeah, yeah, God, next time, don't be in such a rush, pay attention at the time, and put your ice cream back in the freezer. So I realized that I didn't film a goodbye, so here I am. Goodbye. I hope everybody is having a warm, blizzard-free week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment, subscribe if you would like to see more when we're healthy and able to do stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a good day. Bye.